algebra can be applied according to the reading? Economics, traffic, yeah, which is network flow or traffic flow. Chemistry. Engineering is a little vague. All right. Circuit, that's an example of networks. I'll take it for sure. Yeah. What else? What was the one with population? What was that called? Population migration, something like that. Got it. Difference equations. That's what it was. Yeah, they're not differential equations yet. They're called difference equations because we're not actually solving them yet. Okay, if 6 CO2, 6 carbon dioxides plus 6 waters makes 1 sugar plus how many oxygens? 6 O2s, yeah. So the key here is you just said atoms can't be created or destroyed. So in a chemical reaction, the number of atoms of any chemical has to be the same on the left and the right. No. So if you have 6 CO2s, there are 12 oxygens here. Right? Because there's 2 oxygens in every chemical, and then there's, 2 oxygens in every molecule, 6 molecules, 12 oxygens. And then I have 6 H2Os, which means I have 6 oxygens. Right? There's 1 oxygen in each water molecule, and I have 6 water molecules. So on the left, I have a total of 18 oxygen atoms. And then on the right, if I have 1 molecule of glucose that has 6 oxygens in it, how many O2s do I end up with? 6, because I need 12 more oxygens. There's 2 in each of these molecules, so I need 6 oxygen, 6 O2s. Okay, so the basic assumption of network flow is what? Input equals output, flow in equals flow out, in equals out. Any of those, any variation on that theme is fine. Pretty much entirely in your groups today. So each group, and I might have these 3 tables that only have 1 person, like combined to be 1 group, if that's okay. So one thing I want you to do in your groups is just take a quick look at your quizzes and make sure you understand anything that you got wrong. And then each group is going to be given a type of problem. There were 4 types that the book gave examples of: economic sectors, chemical equations, network flow, and difference equations. Whose birthday is closest to today? Who has a close birthday to today? 9 days. How many days ago? Today's Friday, the 19th. 5 days. Anybody closer than 5 days? June. Okay, Iris, you get to choose which of the 4 types of application do you want to work on? Economics. Okay, so this first group is going to work on economics. All right, whose birthday was 9 days away? Yours. Which one do you want? Of the 3 left, network flow. Okay, network flow. All right. Anybody have a birthday this month? The 8th. Anybody else have a birthday this month? Okay, what do you want to work on? Chemical equations or difference equations? Chemical? All right. You guys get difference equations. All right, so for each group, I want you to make up and solve an application of the type that you were just given. Okay? So you're going to write out the problem on a piece of paper without the solution, and then on a separate piece of paper, write out the complete solution to your problem. If you finish writing your problem and solution early, do another one of a different type. And then once everyone's written a question, we'll exchange and solve each other's problems.